Hi guys! Kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin rin tayo bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. You know, at para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito kay Kim Chiu. And actually trending siya ngayon guys sa lahat ng social media platform. Dahil nga guys, ay nakatanggap ng isang malaking award si Kim Chiu. So ito nga guys yung wait lang. Ano ba 'yan? Itong outstanding Asian star. So nasa Seoul, Korea ngayon si Kim Chiu. And yeah, bago natin 'to panoorin, congratulate naman natin guys si Kim Chiu. And sobrang deserve din naman niya kasi makatanggap ng ganitong, 'di ba? Ma-recognize yung kanyang husay sa pag-acting na alam naman natin na napakagaling na artista ni Kim Chiu, 'di ba? Ang dami niyang mga palabas na talagang nag-hit, 'di ba? Yung mga linyahan niya doon, yung pag-acting niya ay kitang-kita natin kung gaano siya kahusay mag-acting. Anyways, panoorin na natin 'to guys. Sobrang excited na ako na mapanood 'to. Wait lang. Okay? Bilang tayo guys ng ng 3, 2, 1 go. So here we go. Ito na. Kim Chiu.
안녕하세요.
Ang ganda ni Kim Chiu, no?
김치우입니다. I am truly overwhelmed to be standing here tonight.
Oh.
With pride and honor, I want to express my gratitude to these incredible people who made this moment possible. First, my company, ABS-CBN, Star Magic, Derek Loren, who's here tonight. Thank you for always believing in me.
Si Kuya.
To the team behind the show, Linda or Deceit.
Kasama niya si Win Meta Win, no?
Family, from the creatives, writers, directors, staff, to my co-stars. Without your hard work, guidance, passion, and vision, none of this would be possible. I share this honor with every single one of you. And to my ever-loving, supportive fans, this award is also for you. Your unconditional love, efforts, and belief in me have always been my source of strength, and for that, I am truly grateful. And
Nice.
lastly, I want to dedicate this honor to the person who is no longer with us, my boss, my mentor, and a dear friend, Sir Deo.
Wow.
He's the one who always
Go, Kitty.
He's the one who always pushed me to be my best.
Ang ganda niya, oh.
And he's the one who always guided me to do the best that I can be through hard work and led with kindness. And for that, Sir Deo, I want to honor this award with you. I wouldn't be standing here tonight without your trust and guidance and opportunities you gave me. Thank you so much, Sir Deo. I want to honor this award to you. And to Seoul Drama International Awards, thank you for this recognition.
Yeah.
This is
You deserve
a dream come true
to
for me.
to recognize your talent.
Maraming salamat po. Kamsahamnida.
Congratulations, Kimi. Ganda niya, no? Anyway, sobrang deserve ni Kim Chiu na ma-recognize at mabigyan ng ganitong ka-prestigious na award, di ba? Kasi alam naman natin guys, ever since si Kim Chiu, napakaganda ng mga palabas na nagagawa niya, no? Talagang napaka-quality. Hindi lang dito talaga sa Philippines na papanood yung mga palabas niya, no? Even mga kalapit bansa natin ay nakikilala talaga yung mga palabas ni Kim Chiu na talagang hinahangaan nila at pinupusuan at talagang pinag-uusapan sa lahat ng social media platform. The most talk na palabas ni Kim Chiu ay talagang pinag-uusapan, diba? Laging nag-trends sa lahat ng social media platform. Anyways, congratulations na Kim Chiu. And yeah, kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, video nyo to, malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. You know, bye!